Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdo being Jompi.
Ka office jongka power grid hagasni baar jongka life way tarik ubnai jemang arajar arpuar kala lumlang yaki nongtrei ki jongka na benta ban Pynsngewthuh yaki Halor ka Jinglehkhuid hapo ki saudong saukun jongka office trekam bada ki shnong ki bamarjan ka power grid kala rakhe yaki ni kasni na do ka khan reu tarik ubnai jemang arajar arpuar bat penkut pat hado ka life way tarik ubnai jemang arajar arpuar. Hagini gisni ka power grid kala sam ya ki borti bread nyot ki mas ki sabon bat ki wei shaki kena school bat shaki nongde dukan. Hagasni bala sedang ban Pynsngewthuh sapang ka Jinglehkhuid regional head jong ka power grid URK Tiagi executive director jong ka power grid lembat ki Nongtrei kila shim ya ka jing semai ban long ki Jinglehkhuid ban lakasni.
Swachhata Pakhwada, initiated by Government of India from the year 2016. It commemorates a fortnight of intense activities related to Swachhata and cleanliness. And in Shillong, Power Grid also, this month from 16th to 31st of May, we have undertook this program, and it started with pledge taking by all the employees, administered by our executive director, Sri R.K. Tyagi. And in Shillong, we conducted many programs under this, and we organized cleaning drives in the office and nearby locality, distributed garbage bins to Civil Hospital Shillong, Nigrims Shillong, distributed hygiene items like masks, hand wash soaps to school students nearby villages, and we have organized a hygiene awareness program for the maintenance staff, and we did a road show program which was taken very well by the inhabitants of the city. And this is a very pertinent issue. All the establishments in NER with Power Grid, in all the states, all 7 states also are doing intense activities, and with the understanding that Swachhata is everybody's business. Today in Shillong, we have taken this initiative to distribute cloth bags to all our contract employees, so that will spread a message to use these cloth bags instead of plastic bags. And also we took a pledge that we will be giving fillip to the ideals of Swachhata, and that we will also encourage others to spend some time for this as a daily routine. This has now been incorporated to our activities every year in the month of May, from 16 to till the end of May, 31st May, we used to undertake this.
Okay.
Our colony is here, and we are very well committed, employees are committed towards spreading the message of Swachhata.